Hey, it's Elaf, and in this video, I'm showing you how to create a product video and a product image using AI. So you could use any product you like, and in this tutorial, I'm showing you how to do it with a footstool. I'm making a series of videos showing you how to create product images and videos with AI, and so that includes different products of different niches. So if that sounds something that could be of interest to you, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see next. The assets you create could be used anywhere you like, whether it's on your e-commerce storefront or if it's on your social media or on your email list or whatever other marketing campaign you have, feel free to use it. And that's it. So I'm going to jump straight into it and show you how to get started. Starting off with this footstool, I'm going to show you how to generate photos on both creative and accurate mode on the platform. I'm on the background remover tab. I can upload a photo or select one in my assets, which I uploaded in the past. So I'll select it and then click the green generate product photos button to send it to the third AI product photos and editing tab. Once it's in the AI editor tab, you can see that the default mode is creative mode. I'm going to type in my prompt. In this case, I want a HD photo of this footstool placed in the entryway of a hallway against the wall, natural light coming through the door, a guest seated, tying their shoes, warm, inviting atmosphere with subtle home decor, and then click the green generate button. The creative mode means the AI will learn how the product looks and replicate it when generating a photo. This means it can edit the input image slightly in order to reposition it in the photo. This is what the first image generated looks like. I like it, so we'll save by clicking the arrow on the top right. And then I'm going to generate again to get some variety and save it when I'm happy. Like I said, with the creative mode, the AI learns how the product looks and generates a replica of the product with your prompt, so it can actually be very useful to describe your product in detail if you want it to be more accurate. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the accurate mode to generate a photo with the same product. I'm going to go back to the image in my assets on the background remover tab and then select the Center Studio Editor button. In this second tab, I'm going to resize and reposition the product where I want it to be in the end photo, because the accurate mode will use the exact input image you upload and generate an AI background for it. When I'm happy, I'll click the Generate Product Photos button to send it to the third tab, but I can go back and reposition it if I want to change it later too. Unlike the creative mode, where it's best for you to describe your own product in detail, in the accurate mode, you don't need to do that since it will use the exact input photo. Now I'm back on the AI editor tab. I'm going to select the accurate mode and then I'm going to edit the prompt to be more exact. Placed in the entryway of a hallway against the wall, natural light coming through the door, plant on the side. Then click generate. I didn't use the same prompt as the creative mode with the AI human model, since I'd have to paint over parts of the chair in order for the model to be sat on top of it. I could try that if I wanted to as well, but I didn't want it to edit the product itself. 4 images are generated on this mode. I'll flick through them and save the one that I like the best and regenerate if I want some more variety. And now I'll show you how all the images look on the creative and accurate mode side by side. Finally, I'll show you how to create these 2 videos of this footstool. Just like before, we're starting off on the background remover tab, upload the photo or select one you've uploaded before, then click the green generate product photos/videos button. Get sent to the third tab like before, switch it from image mode to video mode, and then type in the prompt. In this case, this exact footstool placed in a hallway against the wall near a front door, natural light, a man walks in and sits on the stool, warm inviting atmosphere with subtle home decor, and click generate. It's good to emphasize that you want this exact product or any other specific details that are in the product so that the AI can highlight it and make sure to replicate it. Some subtle details aren't always picked up. So things like the color, material, shape, fit, size, angles of certain parts of it, whatever it is. If you want it to turn out the exact same, then feel free to mention it in the prompt. I like this video, so I'm going to save it to my computer and generate another portrait video afterwards like before. I don't like this first portrait video, so I'm going to generate another one. This one turned out pretty good, so I'm going to download and save it. You can see that the AI has replicated the footstool pretty well, which is great.